Hi everyone, welcome to Edtech with JRep. I'm Javier Rabagliati and I'm here to show you how to share your links the smart way with Bitly. Let's go! Links are usually long and ugly. They have a lot of characters that normally don't make sense. That's where short links come in. Providers like Bitly convert your long links into shorter ones that can be easily dictated or even edited to be quickly remembered. Big companies often use custom short links to make them easy to remember. There are a lot of providers out there, but the one I recommend the most is Bitly. You just have to create a free account. Once you logged into your account, just click on the create button, paste your long link, and then click create or press enter on your keyboard. That will get you the short link, which you can easily edit. You can also customize the title of the link, and once you're ready, click on save or press enter on your keyboard. You'll get this message saying the link has been edited. You can then copy the link and share it however you like. This could be useful to share some frequently accessed resources either by your colleagues or your students. And that's how you share links the smart way. I hope you found this helpful. Bye!